Do you like homemade ice cream? How about strawberry ice cream? We've got that coming up today on Cooking with Chef Fred. It is springtime and it is the beginning of strawberry season. We went out to the strawberry farm this week and we got some locally grown delicious strawberries, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that we're going to make with them. This week we're doing a homemade strawberry ice cream. So if you like strawberry ice cream, stick around and I'm going to show you how we do it. So the first thing we need to do is put them in a strainer and give them a good wash. And wash all the dirt and different stuff off them so they're nice and clean. So we're going to give those a spray and give them a good wash. Then after that, we're going to cut the tops off and slice a couple of slices till we get about 12 ounces is what we need for this recipe. So for this recipe we need 12 ounces of cut strawberries, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to take our strawberries and we're going to put them in our blender, and we're going to give them a spin around. We don't want to make them too liquefied. We just want to break them up a little bit. Okay, we want to leave a little bit of coarseness in it. And to that we're going to add our sugar. And then we're going to put the lid back on and we're going to blend that. Then after we give that a blend, going to give it a pinch of salt and add our teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to put in our 1 cup of milk. And then we'll put the lid back on and we'll give that a good mix. Now we're going to add our 2 cups of heavy cream. And now when we add our heavy cream, we want to make sure we don't mix it very, very long. We're just going to give it about 30 seconds because if we mix it much longer than that, we're going to end up having strawberry whipped cream. So we're just going to give that a quick spin. Now we're ready to add it to our ice cream maker. Now it's important to have your ice cream maker turning as you pour it in. It must be turning. So we'll let this get in here and we'll let this spin. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for this to complete. Okay, we're about halfway through and you'll notice that it will double in volume as it gets thicker and freezes. And then at the 15-minute mark, we are complete. It is nice and we have soft serve at this point. So we will take the beater bar out, give it a good scrape down, and then we will take our soft serve ice cream, get a little taste of it, and then we're going to put it in a container to put in the freezer and let it freeze for 3 to 4 hours or overnight to get nice and thick and hard. And there we go. We've got some nice homemade strawberry ice cream. We will put this in the freezer now. And then we will get us a nice dish and taste this delicious homemade strawberry ice cream. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.